Unboxing time. Let's see what OneDeck can do. I've heard this platform streamlines business operations. Here's the dashboard, super clean and modern look. First impression? Everything feels organized and intuitive. Let's dive in and set up a new project together. Adding a client is straightforward, just a few clicks. I love how all my projects are visible in one place. Switching between clients is seamless and fast. Let's try automating a workflow. I'll add a task trigger. The automation setup is surprisingly user-friendly. Notifications pop up instantly when tasks are updated. No more chasing emails. Everything's centralized here. The project timeline view is really helpful for tracking. I can assign tasks to team members with one click. Let's check out the client management features now. Client profiles store all key info and project history. It's easy to update notes and attach important files. I appreciate the real-time collaboration tools included. Chat with teammates or clients without leaving the app. The customizable dashboard lets me focus on priorities. OneDeck supports integrations with popular business tools. I connected my calendar and everything synced perfectly. The reporting feature gives clear insights on progress. I can instantly see which projects need attention. Let's explore the operations management section. Automated reminders help keep everyone on track. I set up recurring tasks for weekly meetings easily. OneDeck saves time by reducing manual updates. The mobile version is responsive and easy to use. I can check project status while on the go. Security features include role-based access controls. Sensitive client info stays protected and private. The interface feels fast, even with lots of data. I haven't noticed any lag or slow loading screens. For small businesses, this could be a game changer. Project managers will love the automation options. Entrepreneurs can finally centralize all their work. No more juggling multiple apps or spreadsheets. OneDeck simplifies everything into one smart platform. If you want to boost efficiency, definitely check this out. AppSumo has the best deal on OneDeck right now. Don't miss out. Grab your OneDeck deal today.